So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem in your ChatGPT. As you can see now I just log in into my ChatGPT and I found this. As you can see now, this problem, it says OpenAI Oops Something went wrong. As you can see now at the bottom, it says there could be a misconfiguration in the system or a service outage. We track this automatically, errors automatically, but if the problem passes, feel free to contact us. Please try again. All you have to do now, as you can see now I just have this problem. So now I'll show you step by step two methods on how to fix this problem. First of all, so the best method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, just go and log out in your ChatGPT app. So now I'll just go back and close this tab. So I'll just go ahead and open another tab, ChatGPT. So I'll just go ahead and just open another tab. So I'll wait it to finish loading. So as you can see now, after it finished loading, as you can see now it says thank you for trying ChatGPT. Log in or sign up to get smarter, responsibility, upload files and images and more. So all you have to do now you can just go ahead and log in again. So I'll tap on this login. So if you can't find the login in this session now, just tap on this login at the top right side, login. So allow it to finish loading again. Now it will allow me to load. So in this session, all you have to do now, go ahead and type in your email address. So I'll type in my email address that I use to open my ChatGPT app. So here is my email address. After you type in your email address, just tap on this login and continue. Tap on this continue button. So in this session now, it will ask you to type in your password. So I'll just go ahead now and type in my password. So now here is my password. I just type in my password. It is already set in my Chrome browser. So you can do this, or you can just go ahead and type in the password manually. So here is my own, and click on this continue again. Now it will send me a code to my email address. As you can see now, here it says check your inbox, enter the verification code we just sent to this email address. So I'll just go ahead now and open my Gmail and see the verification code. So I'll just refresh once. So as you can see now, here is now the code. Here is the code 505609. Here is the code 505609. So tap on this continue. So now wait to finish loading again. So as you can see now, after it finishes loading, as you can see now it allows me now to log into my, as you can see now it allows me to log into my ChatGPT. As you can see now, here is all my history of my project that I'm working on. But if you try this method and still it doesn't work for you, just feel free to go and tap on the section which says contact us. So you'll be able to see the email address for the ChatGPT team there. Therefore you can use the email address to send them complaint about your complaint. From there they will fix your problem. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys.